So we're going to talk about the Neewer Ring Light right now. And I use this still as my primary front light. I'm going to show you the impact that this light can have on your setup, okay? So right here in my space, now we're talking about the Neewer Ring Light. So my ring light is right here, right in front of me as my primary light lighting my face. So when I cut to my main camera shot, you're going to notice even with a hat on, I don't have any shadows on my face whatsoever because of that ring light right in front of me. So I'm going to cut to it right now, and as you can see, do you see shadowing? There's none. So let me just show you the impact of the ring light. So as you could see in my space, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 LED lights in addition to the ring light. And I've got a fan light up there too, backlighting me. Watch what happens to my face when I turn off the ring light. Check it out, watch. This is me with the ring light on. I'm just gonna turn it off, check this out. And this is me with the ring light off. Do you see a difference? I mean, it's a huge difference. With the ring light on, I was extremely well lit. There was no shadowing. I was really popping, almost popping out of the frame. But then with the ring light off, the lighting situation is just way worse in my opinion. Shadowing, it looks awkward, it looks greasy, all this stuff. Turn it back on, there we are. We're back in business. So the ring light is a great primary front light for content creators, for vloggers, and for business people. A lot of people think that like it's a beauty light, so you should only use it for beauty stuff. No. If you want to look good on camera for that interview, if you want to look good on camera for that meeting, if you want to look good on camera for your YouTube videos, for your live stream, for your podcast, just for life. Everybody needs to be on video calls all the time. The ring light is an absolutely fantastic solution. And I have it in front of me all day long, and I've got my camera mounted inside of it. That's another feature you need to know. You can mount a DSLR camera, a mirrorless camera, your phone, a webcam, any type of camera you can think of inside the ring light. And the ring light itself comes with a bunch of accessories like you can see right here, including the phone mount, as you can see. It comes with an adjustable stand so you can get it just the right spot. And then it's got a gooseneck stand that you can use to bend it around and get it in the right position. And it's got a telescopic tripod is what I'm trying to say. It also comes with a power supply so that it's lit up all the time, so you don't have to worry about batteries. Also with this light, it comes with a number of filters that can allow you to change the color temperature of the light. So they're just demonstrating that here. So if you wanted to, you could pop on the yellow filter and it would give you warmer light. Or you could pop on a white filter and it would give you a whiter light. It's going to be your preference whether you want to use that whiter light there or the warmer light here. For the price, you absolutely cannot beat it. It also comes with a carrier pack so you can carry this light with you on the go. Now I do want to have a warning for everyone out there that's got glasses. If you wear glasses, you will have a reflective, and you have the Neewer ring light right in front of you like I do, you will have rings in your eyes. And so in my old videos I had that. I didn't care about it, but some of my viewers commented on it and I was like, all right, I'll stop. So Neewer ring light cannot be right in front of you if you have glasses. You would have to use the Neewer ring light to the side of you and let your camera be in front of you in that case, okay? You're good to use this for all sorts of applications. So if you buy it today to be a primary front light for your face, then tomorrow you can use it as a backlight or a screen light or whatever it is that you want, a photography light, whatever. It's a good, flexible light that can be used across the board. And that's why I have recommended this light for years. Just being careful, of course, for those of you that have glasses, okay?